Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Classroom and selecting the class you want. Once done, click Classwork, then Create, and choose Assignment so you start the workflow immediately. Add a clear title and concise instructions so students know expectations. Include point value to align grading. Attach files or links by clicking Add and selecting Drive, Link, or File to provide resources. Make sure to pick the correct topic to organize content, and set a visible description so students see context at a glance. Now you customize the assignment details to fit learning goals. Set a due date and time and choose a topic so it appears in the right unit. You can also schedule for later to publish automatically. Attach editable Drive files or view-only resources. If students need copies, choose Make a Copy for each student. Add a rubric to clarify grading, and use the private comment area to provide individualized instructions. Once configured, review who will receive it, all students or selected ones, before proceeding. Finalize by clicking Assign to publish now, Schedule to release later, or Save Draft to revisit. You'll want to monitor student submissions in classwork. Open each student's work to comment and grade, then return it so feedback is visible. Once returned, recording grades syncs with Google Classroom Gradebook. If students can't access attachments, make sure file permissions allow student access or that you used Make a Copy. Also confirm class roster and student email correctness to resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.